Hi everyone! Right now I have the Ultimate Construction book from the Ultimate Book series by Sophie Baumann and illustrated by Didier Balicevic. Inside this book, you will find information about constructing a building, roads, bridges, and other structures. You'll also find information about the tools and the supporting unit that needed when constructing a structure. So the first page talks about making new building. Starts from the foundation to the top of the building. It explains steps from building the basement, installing the door, the window, the paints, until the building is finished. The second page is about building cranes. And then there are informations about building new roads, what are the vehicles that used to build the road, and then we can also find information about who works at a construction site and what they do, and the functions of certain equipment or tools. There is information about building an airplane, steps in making a ship, also about how to construct a circus tent. This Ultimate Book series never failed to amaze me how it managed to put all the information without making the book boring. It is an attractive book that will attract the curiosity not only the children's but also the grown-ups. So thank you for listening. Bye.